When it comes to improving your home's energy efficiency, one of the most effective upgrades you can make is to install high-quality windows and doors. In today's environmentally conscious world, homeowners are increasingly looking for ways to reduce energy consumption, lower utility bills, and increase comfort within their homes. Redmond Windows and Doors offer an ideal solution to meet all of these needs, thanks to their advanced energy-efficient features and innovative designs. In this article, we'll explore how Redmond Windows and Doors can improve your home's energy efficiency, help you save on energy bills, and contribute to a more sustainable living environment. Superior insulation and temperature control. One of the primary ways Redmond Windows and Doors enhance energy efficiency is through their superior insulation properties. Traditional windows and doors often allow drafts, heat loss, and air leakage, making it harder for your heating and cooling systems to maintain a consistent indoor temperature. This results in higher energy consumption and increased utility bills. Redmond windows are designed with advanced insulation technology, such as double or triple glazing, and low-E, low-emissivity, glass. The multi-pane construction traps air between the glass layers, which acts as an insulating barrier that prevents heat transfer. Low-E glass is coated with a thin layer of metal oxide, which helps reflect heat back into your home during winter and blocks excess heat from entering during the summer. This means your heating and cooling systems don't have to work as hard, leading to lower energy consumption and reduced utility costs year-round. Reduced heat gain and loss. In homes with older windows or poorly sealed doors, significant amounts of heat can escape during the winter, and excessive heat can enter during the summer. This fluctuation can make it difficult to maintain a comfortable indoor climate, causing your heating and air conditioning systems to work overtime. Redmond windows and doors are designed to minimize heat gain and loss. Their energy-efficient frames, combined with high-performance glass options, ensure that your home's internal temperature remains stable and comfortable. Whether it's keeping the warmth inside during the cold winter months or preventing the sun's heat from entering during the summer, Redmond products create a well-insulated barrier that enhances your home's temperature control and reduces reliance on your HVAC system. By effectively reducing the amount of heat that escapes or enters your home, Redmond windows and doors help maintain energy efficiency while keeping your living spaces comfortable year-round. Energy-efficient frames and materials. The materials used in the construction of windows and doors play an important role in their overall energy efficiency. Redmond windows and doors feature energy-efficient frames made from materials such as vinyl, fiberglass, and composite materials, which are excellent at minimizing heat transfer and preventing drafts. Vinyl windows are known for their low conductivity, meaning they don't allow heat to pass through the frame easily. This helps maintain your home's temperature without the need for extra energy. Fiberglass frames are highly durable and offer excellent insulation. They don't expand or contract with temperature changes, making them a more stable and energy-efficient choice than many traditional materials. Composite frames combine the best features of wood and vinyl, offering a high level of energy efficiency, along with aesthetic appeal. By choosing Redmond Windows and Doors, you benefit from these energy-efficient materials that contribute to a better insulated home, helping to reduce the amount of energy you need to consume. Preventing air leaks and drafts. Air leaks and drafts are some of the most common culprits when it comes to energy inefficiency. Gaps around old windows and doors allow outside air to enter, while heated or cooled air escapes, putting a strain on your HVAC system. This results in higher heating and cooling costs and a less comfortable living environment. Redmond Windows and Doors are designed with superior sealing systems that prevent air from escaping or entering. Features such as multi-point locking systems, weather stripping, and tight-fitting seals create a tight seal around the frames, ensuring that no air can get in or out. This leads to more efficient energy use and a more comfortable indoor temperature. By minimizing drafts, Redmond Windows and Doors help keep your home's interior temperature stable, reducing the amount of energy needed to heat or cool your space. Long-term cost saving. Investing in Redmond Windows and Doors offers more than just immediate energy savings. Over time, these high-quality products pay for themselves by lowering your monthly utility bills and enhancing the overall comfort of your home. Energy-efficient windows and doors can reduce your home's overall energy consumption by as much as 30% or more, which translates to substantial savings over the years. Additionally, Redmond Windows and Doors are built to last, with durable materials that require minimal maintenance and repair. This means fewer costs down the road for replacements or repairs, further adding to the long-term financial benefits. Environmental benefit. By installing Redmond Windows and Doors, you're not only improving your home's energy efficiency but also contributing to a more sustainable environment. Energy-efficient windows reduce the overall demand for energy, helping lower your carbon footprint. This reduces the impact of your home on the environment, as less energy is needed to heat or cool your space, resulting in lower emissions and a more eco-friendly lifestyle. Conclusion: invest in Redmond Windows and Doors for better energy efficiency. Redmond Windows and Doors provide the perfect solution for homeowners looking to enhance their home's energy efficiency and comfort. With features like double and triple glazing, low-E glass, and energy-efficient frames, these windows and doors are built to reduce heat gain and loss, prevent drafts, and keep your home comfortable all year long. Additionally, Redmond Windows and Doors can lead to long-term savings, both in terms of energy costs and maintenance. By upgrading to Redmond Windows and Doors, you'll enjoy a more energy-efficient, eco-friendly home that's comfortable, secure, and cost-effective. Whether you're building a new home or upgrading your current windows, Redmond products offer a smart investment that pays off for years to come.